Hey there, it's Mike Dance at Brookside in Austin, Texas, where we help you find the best path to the cloud for business communications and connectivity. At Brookside, we have decades of experience with phone systems, video, contact centers, and the integration and connectivity that makes it all work. We're vendor agnostic. We're more of a broker with access to all the major UCaaS and CCaaS providers, as well as the top carriers. So we can get pricing and demos and information from everybody from 8x8, Mitel, to Ring Central and Zoom, to Dialpad, In Contact, and help you find the right vendor to meet your specific needs. Then we match it with the best connectivity solution. So we know based on your address, one of these companies from AT&T and Spectrum and Grande across the board to Frontier, somebody's going to have the ability to provide fiber cost effectively for your business. So we act as a single point of contact from solution design and demos to contracts and implementation. We have a lot of customers. We've been in business over 17 years. So we have companies like Four Hands that have worked with us in Terra for years, Hayes County, and then some of the newer customers like the new Great Hills Country Club, $12 million clubhouse, and of course the new Austin Football Club stadium, right near the domain. So what's driving this cloud communications for these users? I mean, well, at the end of the day, the millennial crowd today is, really wanting to see the ability to work from anywhere on any device with soft phones and SMS. Even some of us older millennials. And native integration to business software makes it a lot easier when you integrate with Teams and Salesforce, and always have up-to-date software and the latest features and capabilities and integrations, including things like omni-channel, where you add email, chat through your website, SMS, and social media integration, as well as robust analytics on every customer and employee interaction. And then of course it comes with contact-free, pre-programmed deliveries of phones that are mailed to your users. So where it all really starts is to get a little bit of education. You want to go to Brookside's information portal. Brookside's information portal at www.brooksideus.com, basically has on the very front page, it has the Gartner Magic Quadrants, which tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly on all the UCaaS, which basically is phone system in the cloud, CCaaS, which is your contact center in the cloud, and then meeting solutions in the cloud, and then SD-WAN, which is a way that you provide, consistent, reliable bandwidth connections to all your locations. Now, up here we have tabs for voice, video, contact center, Microsoft Teams, Gartner Magic Quadrants, once again, GovEd and nonprofits, and your connectivity solutions. So when we start talking about, UCaaS or, cloud-based voice, we're talking about all these different companies we can get quotes from, then all this business integration that we could use, here where we can, integrate with any of these with several vendors. And then of course, here's the latest Polycom phones. And then of course you see links to things like how does the app work on tablets? Well, they have mobile apps, all these apps, these are all very useful. How do I make it work with, WhatsApp in other countries? There's Mitel, more connections there, more things to look at, Nextiva, Zoom, and how they all Zoom phone, how all this works. It's pretty slick. Then like I said, if you're using Microsoft Teams, it's really something slick. Is to go look at what's available for Microsoft Teams from companies like 8x8, where you basically stay in Microsoft Teams the whole time, and we add things like high-end contact center and analytics and things of that nature. And you can do the same thing or some of this with Mitel and In Contact and Talk Desk. So this can be a very good resource. And then of course, connectivity just kind of shows you all the carriers that we work with and some of the solutions that we provide there, and how they work. So these are many of the carriers that we can get quotes from, as well as down here you see SD-WAN. So we have the ability to make sure that you have 4G failover should you need it in any event. The other thing that you do is you look up here at the top of the page, you see you've got a Facebook, LinkedIn, so here's our Facebook page. We've got a LinkedIn page, you can subscribe to. We've got, basically a really nice YouTube channel, and we actually have Twitter. So those are all the things that we can do, to be able to communicate what's going on with the latest and greatest technology in this space. Again, I'm Mike Dance, and I'd love to meet with you and discuss your situation, do a possible bill review, and learn more about your business and see if we can't help you find the right combination of vendors and our solutions to help your business be able to communicate anywhere and look like they're always in the office. Brookside, Cloud and Connectivity Solutions, www.brooksideus.com.